Higher education institutions are complicated, and increasingly they're looking outside higher education, looking at other companies to understand how they can run more efficiently, how they can adopt best practices. But at the end of the day, there are certain things that are specific to higher education and a number of things that surround the constituent. Data has to reflect the uniqueness that represents students or learners. And that's why we're collaborating with Microsoft, because as we started to look at where we wanted to build our solutions, Microsoft made it clear that they wanted to build an extension within their common data model that is relevant to the higher education industry. Now, campus management is built on Microsoft technology. We extend Microsoft products. We run on Azure. But for us to really present something to the industry that resonates, that's meaningful, and will drive true value, it has to be open. That's just a given in this industry. And Microsoft's willingness to take our input along with other partners and institutions to define and build out a common model is really significant and opens up the entire value proposition of Microsoft to the industry. For campus management, the value of the Dynamics 365 Higher Ed Accelerator is to provide a foundation for our applications. We want to build higher ed specific features and functions and deliver IP. We want to build an ecosystem that's relevant to the higher education industry. And by using the accelerator, it does exactly what its name implies. It enables us to accelerate the innovation. We think it will do the same thing to the industry and institutions out there once they start utilizing it. The combination of the Power Platform, Dynamics 365, and the accelerator is really enabling campus management to bring a next generation set of features and functions to the market that are highly relevant and we think address the modern problems facing institutions today. I personally am tremendously excited about delivering what I think is a next generation intelligent engagement platform that's going to deliver a new kind of value to institutions. A unified platform that's part of their existing infrastructure that will enable them to identify at-risk students and intervene early, will give them new insight into how to run their operations, give them a single unified platform to integrate with their colleagues, with other institutions, to innovate and build their own applications. And at the end of the day, it will enable them to take their operations into the future, fully supported by an equal vision and level of commitment from Microsoft.